What is Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro? Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro, commonly known as Stella d'Oro daylily, is a perennial plant renowned for its vibrant yellow flowers and long blooming season. It's part of the daylily family and is appreciated for its resilience and low-maintenance nature. This plant typically reaches about 12 to 18 inches in height and spreads up to 24 inches wide, making it a versatile choice for borders and garden beds. See more 18 species in genus Hemerocallis at monsteraholic.com. Will Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro grow in Austin, Texas? Yes, Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro can thrive in Austin, Texas. The hot summers and well-drained soils of central Texas suit this perennial well. It's known for its adaptability to different climates, making it a reliable choice for local gardens. If you're planting in Austin, ensure the soil is well drained and consider providing some afternoon shade to protect the plant from the harshest sun. How to care for Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro? Caring for Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro is straightforward. It requires minimal maintenance. Water regularly, especially during dry spells. The plant prefers consistently moist soil but can tolerate some drought once established. Fertilizing: apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to encourage vigorous growth and blooming. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Pruning: remove spent flowers and dead leaves to maintain the plant's appearance and encourage more blooms. Mulching: use mulch to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. How to propagate Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro? Propagation of Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro is typically done through division. Here's how you can do it. Timing: the best time to divide daylilies is in early spring or late summer. Process: dig up the clump and separate it into smaller sections, each with roots and shoots. Replant these sections in prepared soil, spacing them about 18 inches apart. Watering: water the newly planted divisions well to help them establish quickly. What to plant with Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro? Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro pairs beautifully with a range of other plants. Hostas: their shade tolerance complements the daylily's sun-loving nature, creating an interesting contrast in texture. Sedum: their low-growing nature contrasts nicely with the taller daylilies and thrives in similar soil conditions. Black-eyed Susans: these add a burst of color that complements the yellow of Stella d'Oro. Can you grow Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro indoors? Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro is best suited for outdoor gardens. While it's possible to grow it indoors in a large container, it requires ample light and space to thrive. The plant's natural habitat is outdoors, where it can fully display its growth and blooming potential. Is Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro toxic? No, Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro is not toxic to pets or humans. It is considered a safe plant for gardens where animals or children might be present. However, it's always a good practice to monitor pets to prevent them from eating large quantities of any plant material. Benefits of Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro: low maintenance, requires minimal care once established, making it ideal for busy gardeners. Long blooming period, produces blooms from early summer to fall, providing extended color in the garden. Versatility, adaptable to various soil types and conditions, and can be used in different garden settings. Common problems with Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro. Pests: watch out for aphids and spider mites, which can occasionally infest the plant. Regular inspection and prompt treatment with insecticidal soap can help manage these pests. Disease: ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal issues like rust and leaf spot. How does Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro compare to other daylilies? Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro is often compared to other daylilies due to its compact size and prolific blooming. Compared to traditional daylilies, Stella d'Oro tends to have a longer bloom period and more consistent flowering throughout the season. However, it may not have the same dramatic blooms or height as some of the larger varieties. In summary, Hemerocallis Stella d'Oro is a fantastic choice for a low-maintenance, long-blooming plant in your garden. Its adaptability to different climates, including Austin, Texas, combined with its vibrant flowers and ease of care, makes it a popular choice for both novice and experienced gardeners.